In this video, I will show you how an employer can create a meeting for their applicant on Zapaey. First, log into your employer account and go to the Meeting section. From here, select Zoom Settings. On this screen, enter your Zoom email, Zoom client ID, and Zoom client secret in the required fields. If you don't already have these details, head over to zoom.com and create a Zoom API app. After authorization is complete, go to Jobs and open the Job Applicants section. Here, you can see how many applicants have applied for your job. From this area, you can approve or unapprove applicants, download their CVs, or remove applicants if needed. To create a meeting, click the plus icon next to the applicant. Choose the meeting date, set the time, select the duration, and then add your meeting message. Once everything is set, click Create Meeting. The meeting is now successfully created, and the applicant will be able to see it on their dashboard. This is how an employer creates a meeting for an applicant on Zapaey.